Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am here with another part to the video that you guys just watched on my channel, the kinetic stand unboxing. I just unboxed this thing, and these two little fingerlings, here. Fingerlings. And back with it at the second part. So, where we left off was I unboxed this and then I cut the video and it ended. So now time to do this puppy literally because it's doggy doo. Sorry, I'm not really funny. This is cute, guys. It's like a little doghouse. Got it. Look, it's like a little doghouse. That is adorable. Okay, so, I don't exactly know where you open it up from. Maybe here? Oh, here. Oh my god. So they have a little dog mold here. Oh, that's so cute. Like I said, it's a little dog mold. See if I can get it out. Oh, it's a little dig and find. So this is like really, really grainy sand, but it's like brown. Okay, so I see a little brush here. I see a little starfish here. Is there anything else to find in this? It does not look like it. Nope, nothing else to find. So if you want to, you can take this down and see the inside, and then you can take this side down and see that side, which was where the sand was, if you guys can see. And this is their bed, and then obviously this is the roof. And let's see what's inside of you, little doggy. Anything? Does not look like it. Looks like it is just a mold. Oh, actually, I don't think it's a mold at all. I think it's just supposed to come together. Oh, that's cute. So it says doggy dig and not doggy do. Well, that's still cute. So you can smush the sand back up into like, you know, like a boulder or something. Or you can just like, you know, squish it all out into the table. And then you can place like a little scoop, like the little sand scoop. And scoop the little sand out. And then you can place the starfish back in. Here, let me turn the camera around. See? And you can have the dog laying down over here. And you have a little scoop, a little sand scoop. It's like a little beach scene. And at the end of the day, when the dog is all done playing, you can tuck him in his little bed. I know what he looks like. He looks like Clifford the big red dog. He's much more pink in real life than he is on the actual screen. He looks more red. And then all you have to do is pack up the little scoop, pack up the starfish. Oh, by the way, here's the little starfish. And you guys already saw a little scoop. Pack those things up. Pack the sand up. And put it all back together. And that's how it looks. And then you put the house back on. The roof back on, I meant to say. Sorry, guys. Ta-da! Okay, time for the big boy. What? Give me a second, guys. Sorry, guys. Had to take care of something. For you, it felt like 1 second. For me, it was an hour. Anyway. I'm kidding, by the way, guys. It was only 5 minutes. If even. So, Oh, it's a pull tab. Okay, that's cool. Oh, that didn't work. Okay, it kind of worked. Got it. Okay. Wow, that is actually really freaking awesome. So it comes with our little turtle. I didn't actually show you guys this, but here, let me see if I can. I'll get it in a second. Oh, that's cool. So it gives you this little thing, which learns about the life cycle of a turtle. So there's the blue one. There's a little rake. There's the regular sand. 3 little baby turtles. So cute. The knife that I was talking about earlier. Sing, sing, sing. And a little pamphlet of what comes with it and how to use. Just tells you how to play with it and everything, which I don't need because, well, I already can figure it out on my own. Okay, so inside the Big Mama Turtle is a thing for creating eggs, so little baby turtles can go in them, which is actually pretty sweet. It says that you have to mix together the sand, which I'm majorly against that because I don't like doing that. So I'm not gonna do that. But it can just also sit like this as well. So yeah, you're supposed to put the little baby turtles in there, and then the little baby turtles have little molds. So this one has a sea star. This one has a little shell. You can kind of here. Let me turn it around. You can see better this way. So there's the shell. Come on, focus on the shell. There it is. This is the starfish. And then the last one is another little shell. But this one has, I think, another mold in it. I think this one has another mold in it. Ooh. Let me see. Oh. Never mind. It looked like it did, but it does not. Huh, that's weird. I don't know why it looks like that though. Oh, maybe this is the one that was supposed to go inside the egg, because it looks what's hatched. Like, look at the face and everything. It looks at what's hatched. But anyway, let's get playing with it. Give me a second, guys. Trying to oops daisy. Let me cut this bag open. Let me cut this bag open. Where is mine? There it is. Kids, get an adult or a parent to open this, because that requires scissors or a knife, and you know, they're kids. I'm an adult, so we're good. Also, guys, there's a giant play box that I can use for the sand. So, Also, you can set this up as a beach because this is sand and the blue is water. So, let me give the blue a feel. Oh, I love it. Here, we'll do this. Dang it. Ready, guys? Here, bring it this way. Turn the box this way. It's so amazing. Sorry, guys. So you can use her, create a big old mold. Probably don't need that much. Yeah, probably definitely do not need that much. Put that in there. Still don't need that much, really. We'll do that much. So, for the mold, you put the sand in and then you make an indent. And then you put the little baby turtle in. And then you put a little bit more sand. I think in the other side of the mold. I think you put more sand in this one than the other one. And then all you do is you think. And then you open it up. And you have a beautiful crumbly egg. Didn't put enough sand in. Let me try it again. Put just a little touch more sand in there. Let me pop this out. Take some sand along the edges. Squish it together a bit more. Pop it back in the mold. I think that's a little bit better. And ta-da! You have an egg! And all you have to do is you go tap, tap, tap. And oh, it's a baby turtle! It's a baby turtle! And it's a baby turtle. I'm gonna try this little mold that's in here. Doesn't need much sand. If you guys hear my parents at all, just ignore it. They're being goofy. Oh my god! I have to show you this, guys. Oh my god, it is so adorable. Come on, focus on my thumb. Oh no, it fell. Look at that, guys. It's so adorable. It's a tiny little shell. I should just show you how tiny it is. Look at that. Compared to that. So that was the tail turtle mold. There was this one, the little messed up one. So tiny. I'm guessing both the other ones are like that tiny as well. Okay, guys. Well, we've explored everything. So, I'm gonna leave that video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys. Peace.